What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Today's video, I'm not doing to try to promote or help the people that steal these cars. It's more an educational video to help law enforcement and you as a consumer protect your vehicle, and or help you not get scammed when buying a vehicle. One of the most stolen vehicles on the planet, not just the United States right now, are Stellantis-based Dodge Chargers and Challengers. So we're going to go in through the IAA app, and I'm going to show you how easy, one of the biggest comments I've got is when they steal one of these Chargers or these Challengers from a dealership, what are they going to do with it? They can't put a tag on it. They can't register it. Wrong. That's actually wrong. The ease with how they're able to register these vehicles is actually concerning. Let me explain. We're going to go into the app and we're going to look for a donor vehicle and how cheap it is to get said donor vehicle. And then we're going to talk about how easy it is to actually register, title, and insure a stolen Hellcat. All right, guys. So for today, we're in the Insurance Auto Auctions app. And I've selected rollovers, total burns, engine damage. We won't even get that one. We'll just do engine burn and all over damage. Like basically total loss, smashed cars. We've selected those filters. Let's see the 12 vehicles that are available. Now here's one. Here's a 2017 Dodge SRT Hellcat Fire Total Burn. This thing is completely done. It's a wrap. I'm willing to bet you this car sells for less than actual cash value is 50 grand. This thing will probably sell for less than $1,000, maybe $2,000, unless they're doing what I'm talking about here. Here's another one. Here's a wide body, right? This is a Charger, not a Challenger. So you can get multiple ones, and this one's in California. Now I'm going to add this to my watch list because I just want to see what these are going to sell for. The reason why is because I want to be able to do a follow-up video just to show you how simple this is. So, you see it. This Charger is completely done. It is completely burned. There's nothing left. Now, there's other ones in here that are, complete. You could find one that's completely smashed or a theft like this that is completely stripped, right? They're literally buying this for one reason and one reason only. The VIN number. That is it. And there is the VIN. You could literally buy this car for, I don't know, maybe $2,500. It's a clean frame and everything. Here's the thing. It's the frame and the outside shell. They buy this. They get the stolen Charger, and then they swap all the parts over to this. I'll give you an example. Remember when Dodge gave Weston, another automotive YouTuber, and Tavares Hellcats? Remember the Hellcat Charger wide bodies? And then you saw Tavares buy the swamp-ass, Badussy-filled rental SXT or whatever the heck food stamp Charger he bought. And then he just literally gutted it, moved everything from the Hellcat over to that, and now has a clean titled SXT wide-body Hellcat. There's no difference here. The difference is Tavares did it legally, and this would be 100% illegal. Car thieves will literally buy this specific car, just like this, or one of the burned ones. This one's the ideal situation. You buy one that's completely stripped, and you swap everything over to it. And if you think it takes a long time, you could literally do it in like 2 days. Maybe 3 if you're doing it by yourself. If you got somebody else doing it with you, it's a 2-day job. Everything's swapped. Running, driving, Hellcat that was stolen, and all you did was buy a frame for like $2,500, and now you take it down to your DMV. They do a VIN inspection, VIN passes, they issue you a rebuilt title, they issue you a registration, you insure it, you now have a Hellcat you paid $2,500 for. That's why this is a problem. And there's many more. I mean, there's so many that you can find, and it's not just here, it's across the board. Here's another one. High desert, another completely burned out Charger. I think they're using the same photos for this one as they did in another one. But you can find these all day. Here's one with an engine burn, wide body, probably still has some good parts on it. VIN number right there. This one will probably sell for more because it's not completely destroyed than other ones. But you can literally find these vehicles. And then once you have them, and it doesn't have to be a Hellcat. That's the other thing. I'm just looking at Hellcats. You can go find an RT or a Scat Pack. You know what I'm saying? And use that VIN number. It's so insane at how easy and how ridiculous this is. This is why when you buy a vehicle secondhand or something that's rebuilt, you want to have a proper pre-purchase inspection done. You need to take it somewhere and have them look at the frame, look at the body, because you may get a VIN number that came off a vehicle like this, where this car is completely destroyed. This thing is never going back on the road. Or is it? Because they will literally pull the VIN number off of this car. Right there. They will pull that VIN number or have a new one printed, because it's not hard to have a body shop print you a VIN sticker. You get a brand new VIN sticker, you get a door jam sticker, and then you put it on your new Hellcat that you stole, and there it is. So if you don't want to be burned, and I'm only saying this because I've seen this happen with somebody here recently where they were actually charged for literally buying what they thought was a legit car. So as you can see from the video, it's not hard. So when people say, oh, they stole it from the dealership, they're just going to cut it up, they can't do anything with it. Wrong. There's people in our very own Mopar community that have done this exact method. People that you probably follow right now that have done this exact method. And they may have a registered SXT. They might even have a 5.7 Hemi registration. But they're driving a Hellcat. And it was originally started its life stolen. Yeah. So the purpose of the video is to educate you as the consumer, because if you buy one of these vehicles, maybe the title says salvage title, and you're thinking you're getting a really good deal, and you buy this car, when it does go to you, because you're a law-abiding citizen, right? You're going to take it to Dodge for service or something. They're going to get under it, find a different VIN number, and bing, bang, boom, your ass is one, not only losing the car, but you might go to jail, and you did nothing wrong. I know this because I just got emailed about this week, and I will be testifying as an expert witness in court as to how easy this is to try to help somebody that really didn't steal a car. They literally bought it from somebody on Facebook Marketplace, had all the bill of sale, picture of the other guy's license, whatever, but the state still charged this guy. So stupid. So this video is literally for educational purposes and to let you know that that's how easy this is. It's as easy as getting a VIN plate, getting a VIN sticker, getting a donor vehicle, and that stolen Hellcat is legit with tags. You could go through a traffic stop, you could go and not have a problem. And that's a problem. We need to have another method of verification outside of just these VIN plates, or a more in-depth VIN inspection when these cars are being registered. Because, and not all cars, but cars that are on the quote-unquote hot list. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I know some people are going to be pissed off that I made this video, but it needs, look, things can't change unless they're brought to light. If you bring it to light and you expose how easy this process is, states, municipalities, and you as a consumer can make changes to make sure that you don't get burned. See you guys on the next one. So guys, when you go to buy one of these, even if it's an older Challenger like this, you might want to check the VIN.